So ngayon is magluluto tayo ng ating napaka-creamy and cheesy na chicken with mushroom. And then we're gonna serve it with pasta afterwards. It's so good, guys. You must try this one. So we start off by seasoning our chicken fillet here with salt and pepper. Of course, make sure na well seasoned siya, front and back ng ating fillet or fillet, chicken fillet. In the pan, we're just going to add some cooking oil. And then we're gonna fry our chicken fillet or fillet until mag-golden brown siya. So ayan, we're just going to turn it over. Baliktarin lang natin siya. Cook the other side. And then once done, hanguin na natin, isit aside natin siya. And then on the same pan, we're just gonna add half to 1 teaspoon butter and then mushrooms. Any type of mushrooms, whether it's steamed or canned mushrooms or fresh mushrooms will do. Whatever you have available, isaute lang natin siya. And then we're gonna add our onions and of course some garlic. You can have as much or onions and garlic if you wish. We're just going to saute it. And then we're going to deglaze it with white wine, about 1/4 cup white wine. Then we're gonna add our chicken stock. Or if you don't have chicken stock, you can use chicken cubes and then melt and use the water. And then we're gonna add some cream, cooking cream, and some Italian seasoning. Of course, salt and pepper to your taste. Halo-haloin na natin siya. Mix. And then some green olives. If you have some black olives, that will do. And then we are going to add our cooked chicken back into the pan. Then we're just going to add our spinach. And then our Parmesan cheese. If you have any other type of cheese, that will do. Sa Pinas, Eden cheese, okay lang yan. And then we're going to cover the pan. Simmer natin siya until mag-melt yung cheese and ganito na siya. So look at this. This is good already. We don't want our spinach to be really overcooked. There you have it. That's our creamy chicken Parmesan. It's very good. You must try this one at home. You can serve this with rice, and in our case, we're serving it with pasta. Any type of pasta is good. Is okay. So ayan, a hearty meal. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.